It was like a movie scene being played out in Portmore after a barber was shot, then falls from the third floor of the plaza to the ground. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. Well, commuters and shoppers were left shocked yesterday after a shooting incident that took place in Portmore, St. Catherine, after a barber was shot multiple times. And to make the situation more ironic, people believe that it was a movie scene being played out based on the fact that the individual that was shot fell 3 floors to the ground and then his attackers escaped. Now, the police have launched an investigation into the matter. So, what has been reported so far is that a barber who is popularly known as a party promoter as well, known as Raka, was rushed to hospital on Sunday after being shot several times from falling from the third floor of a commercial complex on Port Henderson Road in Portmore, St. Catherine. We have tried to get an update as it relates to his medical condition, but that proved futile. However, we'll try our very best once more information becomes available to us to update you, the public. So reports are that after being shot several times inside a bar on the third floor of the Port Henderson Plaza, the barber fell over the balcony from the third floor and landed in front of another business place on the ground floor. The shooter, who onlookers said was wearing a hoodie, then walked down the flight of stairs on the plaza, crossed the Port Henderson main road, and left in a waiting motor car. So this individual is very lucky to have survived this fall from the third floor of the Port Henderson Plaza in Portmore, St. Catherine. And when we look on this situation, it's very hard to even contemplate what transpired there. And can you just imagine how traumatized the onlookers were when they saw this unfolding right in front of their eyes? But I've said this and I will say it again. We're living in a time right now where it's very serious and you can't take things for granted. Some of the time we have certain altercations with individual and we feel as if it's something simple. So as much as possible as you can avoid problem with people, especially in this current era that we're living in, it's best to just avoid argument with people and just try to live the best life possible outside of having conflicts with individuals, because at times you take it simple and they might take it in a sense that you're disrespecting them or you're styling them, as many would say, and they might not overlooked it. They might just want to take your life in return, and you unknowing what is taking place, you'll just be there living your life, and then this unfortunate situation can occur to you as well. So we just have to be cognizant of the fact of what is going on around us and just contemplate and condition our mind in such a way where we just try to live in peace and harmony and with love with each one another, because we have so much to live for right now, and in this current time, no one to go out in such a way or such a fashion, especially through crime and violence. But we can't really predict the future, or we don't know what's to come. What we can do is just try our very best to just live a good life, and a life that is upstanding, and a life that is uplifting, and a life that is positive towards helping people, and just in order to just protect your own self as well while you're doing this, because at times you don't have to do anyone anything. Someone can just see you and they believe that you have money or you have a certain wealth or caliber in life, and then they try to just condition themselves in such a way in order to take you out. So we have to be mindful of those situations and just always try our very best as well, just to be observant around us, especially when you know that you and someone is in certain situation. Try not to lay yourself careless, as some people would say, because at times you know that you're an individual, you have some issues with them, and you put yourself in a position where you're caught up in crime and violence. So you have to be extremely careful, especially when you have others that want to see your demise. So looking back on this situation, it could have gone far worse because other people could have gotten hurt based on the fact that multiple shots were fired at this location. However, they were directed at the individual in question, and many people have begun to speculate that what they believe might have led to the shooting incident. However, we don't have any concrete evidence of those speculations just yet, and we don't really want to put those out there as it relates to this, since it's a new situation that just occurred yesterday. However, we'll try our best in order to just get more information as it relates to this, and his status at this very current moment is unknown to us. But he fell from the third floor of this plaza in Port Henderson, Portmore, and as onlookers watched, they were very shocked at what unfolded in front of their eyes. And I'm telling you, anyone would have been shocked in order to witness such a dramatic incident in front of your eyes. It has also been revealed that the barber worked at a salon on the third floor of the plaza beside the bar where the shooting took place. The St. Catherine South police are investigating the matter. Now, can you imagine this situation yesterday afternoon as onlookers were there, and this was caught in full view of everyone that were at the plaza? So this individual was said to be on the third floor of the plaza, might be having a drink at a bar, because on Sunday it's not that busy, so just chilling with a few of his friends, when someone dressed in a hoodie walked up to him and shot him several times. During the process of that shooting incident, the barber fell over the balcony onto the third floor. So he fell from the third floor over the third floor and then landed to the ground floor of the Port Henderson Plaza, in full view of commuters, in full view of the other shopping public, and this has left the whole entire area tense based on this development. But this just goes to show you how brave these individuals are. Many people were at the plaza believe it was a movie, based on the fact that they were just so shocked. They could not believe what just transpired right in front of their eyes. However, this individual is very lucky, because even though we are not sure about his medical condition, we have not received any update that he passed away as well. So we are believing that he is in a serious condition and is recovering steadily. However, as I said before, we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with this story. But this was such a dramatic scene which unfolded at the Port Henderson Plaza in Portmore, St. Catherine. As onlookers state, it was just so dramatic that many could not really get the grips. Some people said they were shaking, some were left speechless and seeing what just transpired right in front of their eyes. However, as I said, we just try our best to keep you up to date with the latest information as it relates to this, and we'll be on top of this story just in order to get an update as it relates to the individual medical condition and what might have led to the shooting incident over there in Portmore, St. Catherine. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and I'm out for this one once more.